Righty, let's continue. We did the entities table. Now let's go ahead and do the person table. There would be some minor differences, but if you're comfortable with the entities table, you will most likely be able to create the rest of the tables just fine. It's the once we get to the relationships, then we might that's the part that's going to be fairly new. Let's go ahead and start from scratch a new table. We're going to give it the name person. So you feel free to skip the parts that you already know and you're comfortable with now. I'll be trying to be a little bit faster just to save time. Again, deleting all of these fields and then starting to create the fields that we need, or the columns that we need. We have the name column for the person, and then we're going to need some information like the phone number. So we have number, and we also need the email. Also need the address information. So we're going to go with text, street, text, state. So let's go for city first, then state, then first code, then the last thing is the country. Righty, now that we have the person, let's go ahead and bring in some dummy data. It's going to be very similar. The name, the phone number, we don't need this one. Phone number, email, street, city, state, postal code, and country. That all of this looks right. Let's go ahead and generate data. I'll just use the same thing. Replacing, importing. See how much time it took us the first time, but now that we're comfortable with it, it takes so much less time. All of this looks good except the header. I'm going to get rid of the header. And let's go ahead and click import, deleting the first 3 rows. All right, now I'm going to rename this as well to default view. And let's add another view this time, but let's explore another feature. That's the grouping feature. And let's say that what I want to know, let's say this is the list of our donors, or this is the list of our constituents, or the list of our volunteers, whatever list it is. And we need to know those people by state or by city. Like we need just the list of people per city or per state. This is what the grouping functionality is for. So let's create a new view. Let's say by state. And from here, I'm going to go to the state column, and then I'm going to click group by this field. What this does is that it's going to give me the state at the beginning here, and then below the state, all of the people who are in this state. Similarly, we can duplicate this, and we can say by city. And then instead of grouping by state, let's group by the city. Same concept. You can go to the state, and then you can add a second grouping, a subgrouping, and this time you can add city. This time it's going to say in this state, and then you see now the arrow is moving a little bit to the right, indented, because we're going to have the list of cities now. And then going back to state, so city, 3 cities in this state, and then this is all of the people from each city. I'm going to remove this just to keep it consistent with the name. The name of the view says by state, so I'm just going to keep it to be by state. This is everything for the person table. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.